Jesus. If I may just state lang po kung ano yung mga nilatag niya. Articles, yung sa mga grounds po, nalagay po niya the culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, at graft and corruption. Particularly, sinabi po niya doon yung pagpapahintulot or isinuko ni PBBM, CFP-RRD sa ICC, nung inaresto po siya, kabigo ang i-veto yung unprogrammed appropriations, nakasaad din po doon na commit daw po ng graft and corruption si PBBM dahil sa pagbenepisyo ng kickbacks mula doon sa ghost flood control projects. And pinabit to serve po bilang Pangulo ito si PBBM dahil sa umano'y drug addiction nito, which you also mentioned po kanina. And ang additional nga po doon sa sinabi doon sa articles po ni Attorney Adre is binuong pangalan ni BBM yung Independent Commission for Infrastructure dahil umano para protektahan yung kanyang mga kaalyado. So, just to sum up po, basically what we heard this afternoon was also like the same grounds for impeachment po. Na inilatag ni Attorney Andre De Jesus. I heard yesterday you call it a weak impeachment complaint and you fear na ito po yung may initiate sa Committee on Justice. But it's also the same articles of impeachment po na nilalatag po ni Yorel. Your comment po. Account.
Number one, nung nagsalita ako nung una, I did not immediately discount the Attorney De Jesus impeachment complaint. In fact, what I said was, kung papasok yung kay Attorney De Jesus, papasok ang Makabayan Block impeachment, we can consolidate the impeachment complaints in the Justice Committee hearing. Nung binara kami at hindi pinapasok yung Makabayan Block at hindi pumasok yung aming complaint, alam ko na moro-moro ang gagawin. Kasi dalawa ang consideration sa Committee on Justice. There is form and there is substance. Pwedeng pumasok siya sa form as motherhood statement saying all this, all that without evidence, without proof to show yung assertion mo, then it will also be dismissed by the Committee on Justice. So very, very critical sa akin yung action na ginawa ng Secretary General's Office. And I'm saying now, because of that action, in totality, hindi lang ang Speaker of the House, kundi ang Presidente mismo involved sa pag-block ng impeachment at ayaw nilang sagutin yung hinain ng taong bayan. Lahat tayo dito, involved sa graft and corruption, lahat galit. Anong sabi ngayon ng survey? 68% want the impeachment complaint. Lahat gustong malaman ano ba ang ginawa ninyo. Sino ba ang accountable dito? Why did you block us all of a sudden? For a ministerial